வாருமே. வழிகாட்டும் என் தெய்வமே, துணையாக எனில் வாருமே. நதி மீது அலைந்தாடும் மகள் போலவே, கதி ஏதும் தெரியாமலே நான் தடுமாறும் நிலை பாருமே. காத்தும் என் தெய்வமே, துணையாக எனில் வாருமே.
Today, we are stepping into another milestone or hallmark in the form of a value-added course on e-content development. So at the outset, I would like to welcome our beloved principal, Reverend Dr. D. Thomas Alexander, SJ, as well as our esteemed resource person, Dr. K. Thiagu, for this value-added course on e-content development. Similarly, I would like to extend my wholehearted welcome to all the student communities, those who are joined in the meeting. Now I take this opportunity and take this privilege to introduce the resource person, Dr. K. Thiagu. And of course, I would like to say very proudly, he is one of our alumni. At present, he is working in working as assistant professor in the Department of Education, School of at Central University, Kasaragod, Kerala. He started his career as an assistant professor at Sivanthi Adityanar College and then forwarded by Central University of Tamil Nadu, Thiruvarur as a guest faculty on contract. Then he joined as assistant professor in the Central University of Kasaragod. Nowadays, if we are thinking about a resource person, definitely the name of Dr. K. Thiagu will be there. He is one of the leading as well as one of the topmost resource person in India, we can say. And of course, we are really blessed to have him as the resource person for this e-content development program, because he is an expert in the field of educational technology, educational research, educational psychology, and statistics. And of course, his basic discipline is mathematics. So my dear friends, I can definitely say that you are going to be get a wonderful experience and exposure from the 2 months program under the guidance of Dr. K. Tyagi. So once again, with the warm pleasure, let me extend a wholehearted welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
There is a man who is always thinking of the welfare of the students, who is always thinking about the upliftment of the institution. He is always thinking or dreaming about the development of students. He is none other than our principal, Reverend Dr. D. Thomas Alexander S.J. I can say he is a man of vision and mission. Now, I would like to invite our principal to inaugurate this particular e-content development program. Father, please.
Very good afternoon to all of you, and I'm very happy to be part of this new venture that we have gone in for. I should thank Professor Dr. Sherlin for taking up this particular organization of value-added courses for 7 weeks. Remember, my dear students, shall we switch on to video mode? You have been given a free SIM card, therefore you have to be always alive to this classroom teaching. Please come on the video mode. All of you, please come on the video mode. The whole class, you have to keep yourself, please remember, you have to keep yourself always alive. You need to be alive on the screen. The video mode should be switched on. Jeffrey, quick. All of you, I would like to see all of you here. Hurry up. This is a serious program that we are trying to give to the student community. All of you, please come to the video mode. I'm yet to see number of people they have switched off. Hurry up. You are given a free SIM card to make use of this particular time, mainly for teaching learning, remember. So don't tell me that I have a difficulty with landline or online or signal business transfer, nothing. You have to be, otherwise, please quit the college. I'm saying please quit the college. There is no business for you to be part of the St. Xavier's. If you do not obey the word, I'm sorry. I have got a list here. I have sent the list already in your group that by this time I should have received the apology letters. I'm yet to receive some apology letters. I do not know. I'm just waiting for it. Okay. But I'll see. I will not allow those persons to appear for any exam. I will call for the parents and I'll do the needful. Okay. That I'll come a little later. Okay. Please keep yourself on. Still there I have Mahanubhu, Anish Patani, Yamlada, Subhashini, Kumareshan. All these people are ready to come on the stage. I would like to remember here our special resource person, Dr. K. Tyagi, a wonderful personality I have seen. Of course, he was of our institution. My own student, a student who has kept himself always busy. Today, I really remember him with all my gratitude that he was willingly accepting my request. Students, please remember, he is a person today very much busy with giving number of classes, not only in his Central University of Kerala, even the other universities. He simply he doesn't have time. He doesn't have time even to be with his family. Whereas he has accepted to spend 2 days with us. 2 days with us. 2 days in a week. In fact, we had planned for 14 weeks, but because of due to Corona and also the other semester exams that we are going to have in the month of September, we have to cut short the program. So we are having the program only for 7 weeks. So I would like to professionally thank my profound gratitude to Dr. Thiagu, a wonderful person who is always willing to support our institution whenever we approach him. And when I asked him what kind of topics can we, then he himself came up with all these topics. You would have seen all these things in the WhatsApp group. I have given you for 7 weeks how he is going to deal with. This program is a very serious program that you must know how to make the content as such. You must be able to prepare, and this is going to be part of your assessment, part of your whole of your teaching learning process. So at the end of the second year, you must be able to prepare e-content when you go to your schools for internship. This is what I'm saying. I can vouch for it that next semester, third semester, you will not have the schools open. There will not be any face-to-face teaching at all. You have to do only online teaching, remember. Therefore, I'm just preparing you as all you people mainly for online internship only. I'm making it clear. This is my perception. Given the third wave, I'm just, presuming, or I would say, I'm just foreseeing the future that you are going to have online internship. Therefore, you must know how to make content as such. And that is how I have landed at the feet of Thiagu. I have to go after him because such a very busy person, but very, very resourceful person in terms of technology. நீங்க அவருடைய வெப்சைட்ல போய் பாருங்க, என்னென்னலாம் போட்டு என்ன பண்ணிருக்காரு. லிங்க்இன்ல நான் இருக்கேன், டெய்லி ஏதாவது ஒன்று போட்டுட்டே இருக்காரு. நமக்குலாம் அந்த பொறுமை இல்லை, நேரம் இல்லை, அதுவும் இருக்கு. நேரம் ஒரு இன்டெப்த் நாலேஜ் he has. A person who is able to search for எது புதுதா இருக்கிறது அதை கற்றுக்கொள்ளுவோம், அந்த ஆர்வம் இருக்கணும். இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிறவங்கள்ட்ட என்ன, ஐம் சாரி டு சே, உங்கள் தலைமுறைகிட்ட என்ன இருக்கு தெரியுமா, அப்படியே ஷாலோவுல அப்படியே மேலாப்புல மிதக்கிறது. பெரும்பாலும் என்ன, அந்த தண்ணியில மிதக்கும் போது அப்படி படுத்துட்டு மிதவ மாதிரி போறது, அதான் விரும்பாங்க. கையை காலம் ஆட்டுறது விரும்புறது இல்லை பசங்க, பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். அப்படியே கிடந்தா நல்லா இருக்குண்டா, கையை காலம் ஆட்ட, ஏன்னா உடல் உழைப்பு தேவையா இருக்கு. இன்னைக்கு உடல் உழைப்பு இல்லாமல் பாஸ் பண்றதுதான் நம்ம முயற்சி பண்றோம். திஸ் இஸ் a problem. This is the biggest disease with a
I think Father left. So he might join, I think so. Hi all, how are you?
Hello?
Yes, Father.
I'm sorry for the break. I'm sorry for the break. Yes, in between I got all the. I'm sorry. I don't know how he went off. So we need to come out of that particular disease, namely being sluggish, kind of sloven, kind of being very much lethargic. அந்த பகுதியில இருந்து வெளியில வரணும். You must be able to work hard. எத்தனை பேர் அப்படி செய்யப்படுறதில்லை. இப்ப இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, now this week you have been given so much freedom to do your self study. எத்தனை பேர் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க எனக்கு தெரியல. That's why I thought I must be able to give something useful to you all. அதற்காக மெயினா பிடிச்சதான் நம்ம டாக்டர் தியாகு, அருமையான ஒரு மனிதர். ஆக you must be able to exploit this particular person. So there are 7 weeks, 14 days, and each day has got 1.5 hour program. Sorry, 3 hours program. Each week has got 3 hours program. Okay. So therefore, what I am expecting from you is that இதுல உள்ளதுக்கு பூரா நீங்க you must be able to do your practicals. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கிறீங்க. I am தமிழ்ல பேசுறது காரணம் சில பேருக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குது. அப்படியே காதை அடைச்சிட்டு உட்கார்ந்துருக்கான். பிள்ளைங்க அப்படிதான் இருக்குங்க. You must be able to prepare your assignments must be there. Every day homework will be given by the professor, and you must be able to reproduce it next week or next day, or he might give you also the link to which you will have to send your product, your homework, assignment, whatever it is. And that will be finally displayed in our college website. This will be displayed in your college website. It will be also displayed to all our staff members. It will be also displayed to all the new incoming first year students. First year students எடுத்துட்டேன் ரைட்டா, அவங்க ஆகஸ்ட் 16ஆம் தேதி உள்ள வர போறாங்க, அவங்களுக்கும் இது பயன்படும். Okay, so this is going to be part of the archive of St. Xavier's College of Education. Please understand. And number 2, this is very, very important in terms of your online internship, which you are going to have immediately after the semester exam in the month of September. So September 3rd week la உங்களுக்கு semester வந்துரும். அதுக்கு அடுத்த மாசம் என்னது? செப்டம்பர் அடுத்து என்ன மாசம்? ஹலோ ஆல்பர்ட், அக்டோபர். என்ன மாசம்? அக்டோபர் மாசத்துல நீங்க இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் போயிருவீங்க. அப்ப ஸ்கூல் திறந்திருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். திறந்தாலும் திறக்காட்டாலும் ஆங்கிலம் புளி பிடிச்சி தள்ளிடுவேன், வேற வழி இல்லை. So you have to make use of this. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கிறேன். And daily attendance is more important. I am making it clear. Already this list is with me. I am just waiting for those people. சில பேர் ஏற்கனவே அப்பாலஜி லெட்டர் எழுதியிருக்காங்க. எழுதாதவங்களை பர்சனலா உங்க பேரண்ட்டை கூட்டு வர சொல்லி நான் டிசி கொடுத்து அனுப்ப போறேன். That is very clear. I am very good. Attendance சரியா செய்யல வரலைன்னா you will be taken into custody. Serious action will be initiated. Then every day, that is Wednesday and Friday, when you come into the domain, you must immediately chat box lo போய் give your attendance. உங்க நேம் ரெஜிஸ்டர் நம்பர் தெளிவா அதுல வந்துரும். I will have my attendance இங்க வந்துரும், இல்லைன்னு சொல்லல. But there also you will have to put your name and everything. Okay, that is more important. Finally, so there is no question of absenteeism. எங்க வீட்டுல பிரேயர் வச்சாங்க, எங்க வீட்டுல இங்க கூப்பிட்டாங்க, அங்க கூப்பிட்டாங்க, இந்த அதெல்லாம் சின்ன பிள்ளை மாதிரிலாம் வச்சுக்க கூடாது. All must be, all the 94 must be here. That is more important. So this is an important program. You will be given a certificate. Remember, Thiagu sir will be signing the certificate. So it is going to be a very valuable one. Remember, வெளியில போனா இந்த கோர்ஸுக்கு வந்து 10,000 rupees நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க. 10 to 15,000 7 weeks வெளியில போனா. But I am doing it freely for you. Please understand the value of the program. So your cooperation is more important. So all must be, திரும்ப சொல்றேன், you must be alive on the screen. You must be alive on the screen. வீடியோ மோட்ல இருக்கணும். நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்க. நான் திடீர்னு இடையில வந்து பார்ப்பேன், யாராவது ஆஃபா இருந்துச்சுன்னா I'll take it very seriously. And I'm making it clear. Don't tell me இந்த பேர் நிறைய பேர் ஆளக்கானா. ஆனா கேட்டா ஒன்னு சிக்னல் இல்லையும் போய், சிக்னல் எங்க இருக்கோ அங்கே போய் உட்காந்துக்க. இல்லையா பேசாம காலேஜுக்கு வா. Come to the college. I'm ready to provide all the Wi-Fi and everything. If you say that Wi-Fi is not active in your place, please come to the college. I am ready to make arrangements. So this is a very serious program, and the input is given by a very important person, and your cooperation is very, very essential. Please understand. Remember, again, the government has given you SIM card, free SIM. Not only free SIM card, free call. What is it called? 2GB
network.
What's it? Network connection, yeah?
Data.
2GB. So free data is given to you. நீ போய் உட்கார்ந்துட்டு யூடியூப் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காரு. Make use of it. That is more important. So you must make use of the data that is given to you. This is mainly for teaching, learning, not for anything else. This is more important. Then I would expect a complete 100% perfect cooperation with Dr. Professor Thiagu. And whatever the doubt you have, anything to be asked, anything, any other queries, then kindly contact Professor Dr. Sherlin. He is the coordinator for this program, so kindly approach. Okay, so I would like to thank Professor Thiagu for his availability, for his immediate or generosity in saying yes to our institution, and I'm sure you'll be able to come out with more kind of a knowledge on ICT, on e-content, and also I'm sure your products that you are going to create, that those creations will be more worthy for yourself and for also other people. So I wish you all the best. Again, thank you so much, Thiagu, for your wonderful presentation.
Thank you
so much. Over to Professor Thiagu. Unless Dr. Sherlin has got something to say, then Professor Thiagu can continue.
No, Father, directly we can start the class. Already it's 3:20.
Oh,
3:20.
thank you, Sir.
Thank you.
So
Thank you, sir.
dear students, I hope my voice is clear to all of you.
Professor Chahu, now and then you can make it also little Tamil also. Suppose when they don't understand, you can make it
Oh,
Tamil.
okay, Father. Okay, sure, sure.
There are some Tamil students also. It's not a big problem.
Okay.
ஒன்றும் பெரிய இங்கிலீஷ் ஒன்றும் இல்லை. ஆனா சில பேர் இப்படி என்னமோ புரியாத மாதிரி நடிச்சுக்கிறோம். இது நடிக்கிற ஆள் நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. அதான் நீங்க கொஞ்சம் பாத்து. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Just
you.
I'm sharing my experience of St. Xavier's College after I'm sharing my the content which I'm going to deliver today. So basically, I'm basically from mathematics. In the year 2004, I did my 2003 and 4th batch. I did my B.Ed and the St. Xavier's College. Before that, I'm nothing. So now I'm zero. எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது. ஓகே, ஈவன் ஐ டோன்ட் லைக் தி டீச்சிங் ப்ரொஃபஷன்ஸ். அன்பார்ச்சுனேட்லி என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டு ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்டுக்காக நான் வந்து பிஎட் ஜாயின் பண்ணேன். பிகாஸ் த பிஎட் இஸ் நாட் வெரி வெரி ஈஸி டாஸ் டு கெட் இட் இன் டு தி பிஎட் காலேஜஸ். அப்பயுமே நான் ஒரு பிஎட் காலேஜ்ல கிடைச்சதுன்னா ஒரு என்னோட பர்சன்டேஜ்னால ஐ காட் தி சான்ஸ். பட் என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டுக்காக தான் ஐ ஸ்டடி தி பிஎட் பிகாஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ கம் அலாங் வித் மீ ஃபார் த பிஎட் டு ஜாயின். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா ஒரு ஆக்சிடென்ட்னால ஐ வென்ட் ஃபார் தி எம்எட். ஸோ ஒரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்டர்வியூ போறப்ப ஒரு ஸ்மால் ஆக்சிடென்ட் எனக்கு காலில். அதனால என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, எங்க அப்பா he didn't focus me force me to go to the job. ஸோ அதனால 1 year என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், நான் எம்எட் வந்து பக்கத்துலேயே திருச்சியில யூனிவர்சிட்டியில படித்தேன், வரதஸ் யூனிவர்சிட்டி. ஸோ அதுதான் என்னோட லைஃப் கேரியரை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிது. அதர்வைஸ் நான் ஏதோ ஒரு காலேஜ்ல ஒரு ஸ்கூல்ல ஏதாவது டீச்சரா இருந்திருப்பேன், ஏதாவது ஜாப் ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். தட் இஸ் மை பொசிஷன்ஸ். சென்ட் சேவியர்ஸ் காலேஜ்ல என்னை வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு பொசிஷன் கொண்டு போனது. ஏன்னா பிஃபோர் ரீச்சிங் தி சென்ட் சேவியர்ஸ் காலேஜ், இங்கிலீஷ் ஐ நாட் ஏபிள் டு ஸ்பீக் இன் சிங்கிள் வேர்ட் இன் இங்கிலீஷ். ஐம் டெல்லிங் ரியல். Because most of the mathematics students, we are classing only few vocabularies like if and only if, hence the proof that. So like this, we count maximum 20 vocabularies in the mathematics can involve. But because mathematics has its own language, நம்மளோட மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸோட லாங்குவேஜ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்பர்ஸ் சிம்பிள்ஸ் தான். ஸோ டியூ டு தட் ஐ நாட் ஏபிள் டு ஸ்பீக் இன் சிங்கிள் வேர்ட் இன் தி வென் ஐ டிட் மை பிஎட். பட் அங்கே உள்ள ஸ்டடினால தான் ஐ கேன் ஏபிள் டு லேர்ன் இங்கிலீஷ். அட்லீஸ்ட் ஐ கேன் ஸ்பீக் நவ். இந்த கிரெடிட் வந்து சென்ட் சேவியர்ஸ் காலேஜால கிடைச்ச ஒரு விஷயம். அப்போ நாங்கள் படிக்கிறப்பெல்லாம் தெர் இஸ் நோ கோயட், ஒன்லி பாய்ஸ் 100 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். 100 பேர் ஹாஸ்டல் தான் இருந்தாங்க. இட்ஸ் லைக் கம்பல்சரி ஹாஸ்டல். ஸோ லைக் குட் அட்மாஸ்பியர். அந்த அட்மாஸ்பியர்ல தான் ஐ லேர்ன் எவ்ரி திங். இந்த ஒரு பொசிஷனுக்கான மெயின் ரீசன்ஸ் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் ஓப்பன்லி சென்ட் சேவியர்ஸ் காலேஜ். அண்ட் ஐ ரீச் தி சென்ட்ரல் யூனிவர்சிட்டி ஆஃப் கேரளா அஸ் an assistant professor without paying a single paisa. I didn't pay any single paisa to reach this particular destination. This is the great reasons to the St. Xavier's College. அது இல்லைன்னா நான் இப்போ இருந்திருக்கே மாட்டேன். பிகாஸ் பிஎடுங்கிற ஒரு இதுதான் வந்து எனக்கு டேர்ன் பண்ணது. அதுல இருந்து ஐ கெயின்ட், ஐ லேர்ன் மை செல்ஃப், ஐ ஷேப் மை செல்ஃப் அஸ் ஏ டீச்சர். ஸோ அது வரைக்கும் எனக்கு வந்து டீச்சருக்கான ஒரு கனவே இல்லாமல் இருந்தது. அந்த பிஎட் படிச்சனால தான் எனக்கு அந்த ஒரு ஷேப் கிடைச்சது. ஸோ ஈவன் ஐ கேன் ரீகால் தி கிரேட் டீச்சர்ஸ் which take the class for me. Annaraja sir, Thomas Alex father class, we are very much eager to இப்பதான் ஃபாதர் ரொம்ப திட்டுறாங்க. பட் தட் டைம் he won't scold us much. Even he was the hostel warden also. Only the hostel வந்தா சார் ஃபாதர் திட்டுவாங்க. பட் in the case of the classrooms we won't scold. But அவரோட what is that classroom, the gestures, நிறைய பேர் we can like addict them. So that much of gestures is my use. நீங்க வந்து unfortunately you are not get a chance to see him directly. Even the other teachers, you cannot see the exact teaching skills of the teachers, because in the online all the teachers cannot be showcase the entire teaching skills. If you go to the normal classroom, you can understand the skills, the professional skills of the entire St. Xavier's College faculty. So really, I am blessed. Due to that only, I reached these places. Just I'm going to start my presentations. So, dear students, I like to this like a friendly talk only. I request all to open the camera. Even I am also focusing when I take the classes to open the camera of my students, because then only that kind of closeness may happen. Otherwise, if I talk to only the missing, it's not be fair. Please kindly note, we are dealing with the mind, okay, human being, not for the innocence, right? If you are close this camera, I feel like I am speaking with the devices on. So don't make it me like this. So I request to be open your camera, then only I have some kind of close contact with you. Yes. And I want to know how many of them use your mobile phone to attend this program. Can you know how many of them attend this program through the laptop? If you're attending the program through the laptop, you can type L in the chat box. If you're attending the program through your mobile phone, you can type M in the chat box. If you're attending this program, both the devices, you can type V. I hope you understood. L for the laptop, B for the, M for the mobile phone, B for the both the devices. Can you type your answer in the chat box? Yes. So Jose Rahul, mobile phone, Malibas mobile phone. So most of the mobile phone. Then how can you teach the PowerPoint? Okay, so if possible, the next program on this, you can try to join this with, if you have the laptop, if you have with this instance, kindly join the program through the laptop. Then only we can do parallelly. Even you are attending the program through mobile phone. If you have your laptop, kindly keep with near to you. It may fine because you can do parallelly with my demonstration. Because the problem, once I explaining more than 10 steps, no, you could not follow later. So you can do parallelly. It might be good for you to understand, and wherever you have the problems, you can just ask me. That will be fine for all of you. Those who are using the laptop, you can do along with me the demonstration which I'm going to use it now. And the topic which I'm going to cover is the basics of the presentations, basic of the slides. I hope most of the people are good in the case of the PowerPoint presentation, but I'm going to focus on some of the unaware things only. But today I'm going to speak in very basic things about the presentation slides. But instead of using a normal Microsoft PowerPoint or any kind of open source software, I'm directly moving to the tool which is related to the online, which is related to the online based slide presentation. Anyone can tell which of the online tools which you crossed till now, particularly in the presentation tools. Do you have any presentation tools? Do you have do you have any awareness about the presentation tool which is meant for particularly for the online mode? Because the PowerPoint and also offline tool. Kindly give your answer. Which is a tool may helping to present your screen or presentation purpose in the online?
Google Slide.
Exactly. So any other other than the Google Slides?
Microsoft Office also there.
Microsoft Office we are using this offline. Even the offline, online also there. Any other? Any other? Any other? If you Google it, just you can Google it, online presentation tool, online PowerPoint presentation tool. You may get more than 100 tools, more than 100. So like, I hope you know the terms Prezi. Prezi is another very unique presentation tool. From this, we can make it lot of interactions and parallelly lot of animation effect we have to incorporate in that. But today, I'm going to focusing the area of the Google Slides. Why I'm focusing the Google Slides in the sense, instead of a PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, the problem with the case of the Microsoft PowerPoint, each one having the different version. For example, you have some of the people having the Microsoft Office 2007, some of the people having 2010, some of the having the 2013. It comes a different structure. So when I demonstrate from my end, you could not be followed properly because each version is showing the different templates. So a lot of confusions may arise from your end. That is why I started the presentation instead of a MS PowerPoint. I can move to the Google Slides base. What is the advantage of Google Slides? For all the users, those who are using the Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, the same template. Whenever they are updating, automatically in your browser also you updating, you can get the same as it is. For example, the screen which I'm using, the scale screen, the same kind of interface you might receive from over there. So that is why I'm using this modality to explain the presentation tools here. Just I'm going to my Gmail page. So this is my Gmail. This is the content I'm going to spoke here. Please kindly see this is my Gmail. This is the things we already know. But today I'm going to focus on some of the area that is called agenda. So that's my presentation is called agenda. That agenda and keep it, the tool is called Google Keep, because if you know how to use the Google, you don't need to be worried about the third-party tools, because all the applications it should be available in the case of Google tools. So in the right corner, you are seeing the lot of tools. One is called Google Calendar, then Google Keep, and Google Task, and the Google Contacts. So I hope some of people are familiar. If you're not familiar, kindly explore from over here, right? Now we can see there is a Google Keep I'm using for making this kind of agenda presentation. For example, I didn't prepare any PPT because my presentation is totally for the presentation mode, like a demonstration based. That is why I didn't prepare any PPT, but I made some agenda. That's kind of what I'm going to be covering now. That agenda with the use of the Google Keep. So Just I'm going to highlight this area only, and just I'm opening here. So once I open here, you can see the entire screen now. So these are the area I'm going to talk about you. This is my agenda of my presentation of today's lecture. I'm going to talking about how we can create a file. Then after that, how to create the title of the file. Then I'm going to emphasize what is menu bar, the menu bar, which are the options are available. In the case of the toolbar, which are the options are available, and compare to the MS Office, which are the good features, other features, which are the advanced features available in the case of the Google Slides. This is my presentation of today. This area I'm going to be covered. And the next settings, when you come to the next settings, kindly explore this or the area. Sometimes today you are attending the program through the mobile phone. What you have to do, if you have the people, those are giving your laptop, or if someone's are giving the laptop, you can use this with the use of the laptop. Otherwise, if you're not get the laptop, don't worry. This tool is available in the mobile phone version also. Just to go to the Google Play Store and type Google Slides. Google Slides. You can install the applications in your mobile phone too. Even you can prefer the Google Slides, the normal PowerPoint slides with the use of the Google Slides. So there is no need to worry about because your mobile phone not supporting the other tools and all. Because this is tool, it may supporting all the Android mobile phone users. Therefore, you have to install the Google Slides applications in your mobile phone. If you don't have the laptop, if you have the laptop, not an issue. So this is my presentations, agenda of my presentation. So for explaining the agenda of presentation, I'm using the tool as a Google Keep. Even you can keep this kind of application on your mobile phone also. This is a tool for explaining the some kind of important points or agenda. I'm using it. Even we can copy this the agenda, we can paste in the PowerPoint also. That possibility is also there. So in similar manner, I'm already making some kind of agenda for the next class also. This is my next class agenda. This is an area I'm going to speak. So like this, you can prepare some kind of like whenever we are going to the classroom, we are keeping some kind of notes. Normally, we are keeping the notes with the use of the paper pencil. But the problem, once you keep it, once you write the paper and pencil, sometimes you may keep somewhere. You could not be find out the paper which you keep it here. Therefore, always you can convert your normal paper-based transaction or the keeping notes, convert into the kind of digital mode. Whenever you like to get into later, you can go to your mail and then you can find the Google Keep and you can find the entire material or which the agenda which you bestowed in the list, you can use it to access it here. Therefore, always you can use this kind of Google applications. You can use this kind of Google. Why I'm emphasizing, even this topic is not mine, but why I'm emphasizing in the sense, if you're having the Google, if you're exposing all the Google applications, you can lead a 100% best teacher because the Google is providing that much of features. But I don't know why a lot of teachers not using this one. That's why as a training students, I'm giving these small tips. You can use the Google Keep as for the keeping notes. Keeping notes means like a hints we are taking, no? That purpose you can use the Google Keep, like a note-taking application. You can use this kind of application for note-taking purpose. Even see, there is a classes on June 24th, I took this area. There is a class on June 25th, I took this classes. So like this, I'm already listed. Even some of the classes which I'm already finishing, no, that I will keep it as an archive. So for example, one day I given some welcome address, what are thanks. These all things also I keep it here. So normally when you go for the welcome address, we are keeping the paper and just we are reading it. Instead of that, you can write the welcome address with the use of this kind of digital tools. And whenever you need, you can open it and you can give the lecture. And it may supporting laptop as well as the mobile app. So that is why this kind of tools may helping. If possible, you can install this tool also. Now just I'm moving to the Google Slides. Anyone can direct how to reach the Google Slides. So this, because I like to go with the impact, otherwise it may feel boring, particularly this is an afternoon session. Now you have to direct me. Suppose I'm the layman in the case of computer. How you can tell me, direct me to reach the Google Slide? Anyone having the idea? How can I reach the Google Slide? Now I'm the Gmail. Now I like to reach the Google Slide. Please. Why this much of silence? Hello. Then can I ask the question based on the name, either your roll number? Please come forward. Boyer, this Mr. hesitate to talk to me. My speed is okay? My speed is okay, or I can go very slowly?
Slowly, sir.
Please come in. Sorry. Ashok ji. Ashok,
Sir,
can I go?
you speak too
Is this-
fast, sir. So,
Oh, okay. I am speaking very fast. Okay. Can I go
uh,
slowly? So don't. Thank you. Thank you. Please give a second. Any other suggestion by others? Because teaching is a reaching. That's why I'm asking the questions before my presentation. Teaching is a reaching. Suppose I am speaking for 1 hour. The end, if I'm asking to you what you learn, you are telling nothing in the sense the teaching of my side is zero. That is why kindly give your suggestions or kindly give your feedback in between. Otherwise, my time is to be totally waste. Be listen. Kindly give the suggestion. Suppose I'm going fastly. Suppose if you are not knowing the particular steps, kindly ask me openly. Not an issue. I'm just moving to tell how to open a Google site. Please kindly careful to see my screen. My screen visible. Any blur is there? Any blurring or it's very clearly it's visible to you?
clear, sir.
It's
No
clear.
blurring.
Thank you so much. It's clear, no? Yes. See, I'm going to open a Google Slides. The Google Slides we can open in here two mode, two way. One, we can through the Google Drive. Otherwise, you can type directly to the Google Slides. Now, the first step, I'm going to tell how to open the Google Slides through the Google Drive. Please kindly note, for opening the Google Drive, I can go to the right corner. Are you seeing my photo? That's my profile photo. Near to that, what are you finding? What you're finding near to that?
9 dots இருக்கும் சார் அதை கிளிக் பண்ணா
Nine
அந்த
dots. Very good. Thank you, Syed Ali. What is the 9 dot represent, Ali? Please, Syed.
ஐ டோன்ட் நோ
Okay, no problem. Oh, no, not an issue. Anyone aware of it? What is the 9 dot?
The Google Tools.
Menu.
Exactly. Thank you, Gerald. I think
Sir, Google
Gerald, no?
Apps.
Yes, thank you, Ashok. So this is Google Apps. If you want to explore the Google Apps, you can click the 9 apps. So that's a 9 dot. So you can find all the applications which is created by the Google. And I want to know, please kindly count. Now you have to count and you have to type the answer in the chat box, right? Are you ready? So I'm going to show the tools names one by one. You have to find how many tools you are familiar and you have to type the number. One is Google Drive, second is YouTube, Google Play Store, Google Search, Gmail, Map, Calendar, Translate, Google Photos, Google Image, Google Shopping, Google Duo, Google Meet, Google News, then Chat. So out of 15 applications, how many applications do you know? Please kindly type the number. YouTube, Drive, accounts. So just I'm showing once again. So 12. Good, George Rakul. So Tina's 13, Arajanal 12. Very good. Yes, yeah. You should be aware of all the 15. Please kindly note. Now we can, if you are not knowing any 2 or 3 tools, kindly explore from there. So thank you, Saini. Thank you, Padivarsi. Thank you, Pavitra. So it seems that the case of Albert Jerry, he knows everything. It's fine. Now I'm coming down, please. Now the second question for you, please. That is the first step. This is for the first step for our personal purpose. We are using this. Now I'm going to the protective purpose. This is the tools you must be aware of it. Thank you all. Thank you all. That's enough. So don't give the answer now. I'm going to the second question. The second question is purely based on the protective tools. Protective means these tools we can use it for your business purpose or for the personal purpose. Even and most of the tools might good in the case of the teaching and learning. Right? I'm going to list out the names. You have to type the number of tools which you familiar. Are you ready? Right. Now I'm going to read the tools name. Blogger. The first one is a Blogger. Google Books, Google Docs, Google Contact, Google Hangouts. Hangouts is different. Google Meet is different, right? Then Google Keep, Google Classroom, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Jamboard, Collaboration, Art and Culture, Earth, Google Ads, broadcast, Google One, travel, forms. Just I'm going to count the number 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So how many applications did you frame here? You can type the answer like this, 2 hyphen the number because the second tracks, no? So you can give the answer 2 represents second group. Okay. In the second group, how many applications did you know? Yes. So in the case of Jesse, 7 applications is knows. In the case of the Syed Ali, 8 application. Anisha is 8 application. Jill Regal, 8 applications. Yeah. And Selva Monia is 10 applications. Good. Then Ananda Divya, 6 applications. Babisha Teresha, 3 applications. Deval Lakshmi is 5. Okay, very good. Very good. Thank you so much. Now I'm coming down. These applications are only few of them made family. This is like add-in based. So I'm using some kind of add-in. That's why you are finding this kind of add-ins. In your case, you could not find this add-ins. Okay. Now the question is that which is the icon which is relevant to the Google Slides? Anyone can tell? So which is the icon? It is relevant to the Google Slides. So this is a productive tool. You can tell the row and column. So normally we are using the row into column. No? You can tell which row, which column that Google Slides applications are there. So in this particular screen, please, I'm keeping this one on. Yeah. In this screen,
Third row,
yeah.
third column.
Third row, third column. Very good. So now you are learning mathematics also. It's okay if already you are understood the mathematical concept. Because 3 into 3 in the case. This is a Google Slides, right? Just I'm clicking the Google Slides. Once I click the Google Slides, it's opening here. Google Slides. This is one way. This is a one way I can reach the Google Slides. Do you have any doubts in this? Do you have any doubts to reach the Google Slides now? Why I'm focusing instead of PPT? Because in this particular display, so which are the interface I'm having the same interface you have. But in the case of PowerPoint, I'm using the Microsoft 365. But in your case, you don't have Microsoft 365 because I'm using the paid version of the software of Microsoft. You are using a free one. Sometimes you are using 2007, 2010, 2013. Each one's having the different kind of templates may be there. Even some options won't be there look like me. That is why I'm focusing on the Google Slides as part of the PowerPoint. And even we can use this tool is an offline also. That I will discuss in the next week. How we can use the Google Slide is offline also. I hope you don't have doubt in this case. Now I'm going to do highlight the same steps, same way to how to open it in different mode. Just I'm closing here. Once I'm going to the 9 dots, there is an option called Google Drive. Are you able to see the Google Drive now? Google Drive? Hello? Google Drive?
Yes, sir.
Right. Google Drive. So normally, what is the Google Drive? Anyone can tell what is the purpose we are using the Google Drive? What is the purpose we are using the Google Drive? Please, what is
Save
the
the
purpose we can use the
files.
Google Drive?
Store the
Yeah,
files.
exactly. So yeah, but I hope my screen, my camera is visible to all of you. I have the 2 pen drive. Yes. What kind of pen drive is this? What kind of pen drive is this? What kind of pen drive?
Storage.
Yeah. What kind of storage? What kind of storage? Are you able to see in your eyesight? Are you able to see? Are you able to
Sir,
touch
files,
this drive?
important files.
Important file we can keep it. My question is that what kind of storage device is this?
Internal storage and external storage.
It's an external storage. I am keeping my hand. No, I'm not keeping it. Okay.
Backup,
Internal means the
sir,
system
backup.
itself for internal. File backup we are using, but it is a physical storage. You got clear? Why is called physical storage? You are able to touch the pen drive. Are you able to touch the pen drive? Are you able to see the pen drive through the eyesight?
Yes, sir.
Right? Right. What about the Google Drive storage? What about the Google Drive storage? Now you can give the answer. Are you able to see it?
Abstract storage.
Huh?
Abstract storage.
Abstract. Very good. Good prediction. Good, Sayyid. It's a good prediction, but it's not correct. Okay. Any other? Any other? Normally in this kind of classroom, what we are telling, this kind of Google Meet classroom. So this kind of Google Meet class, we may call this here.
Online storage.
What about the other term instead of
Virtual.
online?
Virtual.
Exactly. So that is called virtual storage, or one term I type in the chat box. What is the term I type in the chat box?
Cloud storage.
What is the term I'm typing?
Cloud
What is the
storage.
term I'm typing in the chat box? Cloud storage. Why is it called cloud storage? Just I'm going to the Google, right? See, this is my Google Drive. Why it is called cloud storage? Anyone can brief it. What is the unique character of the cloud? What is the character of the cloud? Megam undalla. So cloud na megam thana parayirudhu. Okay. Megam, what is that unique feature? நம்ம எங்க போனாலும் மேகம் இட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ கம் அலாங் வித் மீ, கலாங் வித் அஸ், நோ. ஸோ நம்ம எங்கெல்லாம் போறோமோ மேகம் அப்படியே வந்துட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஆனா நீங்க இங்க இருந்து பார்த்தான்னு மேகம் மூவ் பண்றதா. இட்ஸ் நாட் ஏ சிங்கிள் பிளேஸ் what is the cloud may stand. So it's like a moving, always the cloud is moving. Similarly, இதை ஏன் cloud storage சொல்றோம்னா, நம்ம எங்கெல்லாம் போறோமோ wherever you are going, உங்களோட ஸ்டோரேஜ் டிவைஸ் உங்களோட சேர்ந்து வரும். இது மாதிரி தூக்கிட்டு போகணும் அவசியம் கிடையாது. ஸோ இந்த பென்ட்ரைவ் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிட்டு போகணும்? பென்ட்ரைவை நீங்க பேக்ல வச்சு கொண்டு போகணும், இல்ல பாக்கெட்ல வச்சு கொண்டு போகணும். பட் இந்த கூகுள் டிரைவ்ல உள்ள கண்டென்ட்டை நீங்க எடுத்துட்டு போகணும் எங்கேயும். Do you like to keep it in your hand? ஹலோ, எல்லாம் உறங்கியா?
No need, sir.
Sorry, thank you. Sorry, once again, what's the answer?
No need, sir.
No need. So என்ன அர்த்தம்னா, நீங்க எங்க போனாலும் உங்க கூடயே இட்ஸ் கமிங். Any other people other than the Tamil Nadu here? I hope all of you from Tamil Nadu, no? Any other state people are here?
Yes, sir. I'm from Kerala.
Tina, are you from Kerala? Then Tamil and Malayalam should take the same. That's not an issue. Right, then I can speak Tamil also, no? That's why I'm asking. See, the cloud என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டினா, எங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம போறோமோ கிளவுடு நம்மளோட சேர்ந்து வர மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீல் இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி கிளவுட் வந்து நேரா போய் தொட முடியுமா? ஆர் ஏபிள் டு டச் தி கிளவுட்? தொட்டா என்ன இருக்கும்? தொட முடியுமா? இங்க இருந்து பார்த்தா ஒரு கிளவுட் மாதிரி தெரியுது, பக்கத்துல போக என்ன இருக்கும்? என்ன இருக்கும் கிளவுட்ல? இவ்வளவு சைலண்ட். ஹலோ, இது புதுப்பேட்டை படத்துல ஒரு டைலாக் தான் எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வருது. ஓகே, தனுஷ் ஜெயில போட்டுருவாங்கல்ல, தென் ஃபைனலி தனுஷ் ஒண்ணு சொல்லுவார். என்னது? யாராவது அந்த டைலாக் சொல்லுங்க பார்ப்போம். தனுஷ் சொல்ற டைலாக்க யாரா இருக்கீங்களா? பயமா இருக்கு சொல்லுவாரா இல்லையா? யாரா இருக்கீங்களா? எனக்கு பயமா இருக்கு. அது மாதிரிதான் இந்த சிச்சுவேஷன் கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, நோ ஒன் கேன் ஸ்பீக், வாட் கேன் ஐ டூ? சில பேர்லாம் அப்படியே லைக் ஸ்டாச்சு மாதிரி அப்படியே உட்காந்துருக்கீங்க. வெரி குட், பட் யூ ஷுட் பி இன்ட்ராக்ட் வித் மீ, ரைட்? அதர்வைஸ் ஐ குட் நாட் நோ வாட் இஸ் வெதர் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆர் நாட். ஓகே, அட்லீஸ்ட் சிரிக்கலாம். ஏன் சிரிக்காம கூட உட்காந்துருக்கீங்க? ப்ளீஸ், த டீச்சர் ஷுட். நவரசம் தெரிஞ்சவங்க டீச்சர் தெரியும்ல? நவரசம் உங்களுக்கு சிரிக்க தெரியணும், அழ தெரியணும், ஓட தெரியணும், குதிக்க தெரியணும். ஸோ யூ ஷுட், particularly in the St. Xavier's College, if you learn them, even I learned the dance, I learned the singing, everything from St. Xavier's College. எனக்கு நடிக்கவே தெரியாது, நடிச்சாங்க. ஈவன் இப்ப நடிச்சுட்டு தான் இருக்கு. ஓகே, the classroom also we are. So everything you should be learn. Okay, the facial reactions much important in the case of the classroom practice. Dear, my dear, the classroom interactions much needed in the facial reactions. ஸோ உங்க ஃபேஷியல் ரியாக்ஷனை கொஞ்சமாவது மாடிஃபை பண்ணுங்க. ஸ்மைல் பண்ணுங்க, இல்லைன்னா அதர்வைஸ் ஐ குட் நாட் நோ வாட் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் இன் யுவர் எண்ட், ரைட்? ஸோ த நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்கலாம். இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ், தட்ஸ் வை ஐ அம் லிவிங் யூ. என்னோட கிளாஸ் இது மாதிரி தான் பேசிட்டு இருப்பேன். ஓகே, ஸோ ஐ லைக் டு மேக் யூ டு க்ளோஸ் வித் மீ, ரைட்? அப்புறம் அந்த க்ளோஸ்னஸ் இருந்தால் தான் we have to go with the 7 week, right? Dears, the cloud storage என்ன காரணம்னா, wherever we are going, the cloud also come with us. நீங்க கிளவுட தொட முடியாது. போக என்ன ஆகும்னா ஒண்ணுமே இல்லாத மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். நத்திங் இந்த கிளவுட்ஸ். சிமிலர் மேனர் இந்த கிளவுட் ஸ்டோரேஜ்ங்கிறது ஏன் அந்த டேர்ம்னா, wherever you are going you can find this file. நீங்க இதெல்லாம் எந்த சிஸ்டம்ல எடுத்து போகணும் கிடையாது, லேப்டாப் தூக்கணும் அவசியம் கிடையாது. நீங்க சப்போஸ் இங்க இருந்து நான் காஷ்மீர் போறேன், காஷ்மீர்ல உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சிஸ்டம் இருந்தா போதும், ஏதோ ஒரு சிஸ்டம் இன்டர்நெட் இருந்தா போதும், ஐ கேன் அக்சஸ் மை ஃபைல். இஸ் இட் பாசிபிள் ஆர் நாட்? நான் ஒரு காஷ்மீரோ போறேன், இல்ல ஜப்பானுக்கோ போறேன், ஏதோ ஒரு கண்ட்ரி போறேன். கேன் ஐ அக்சஸ் த ஃபைல் விச் ஐ எம் ஹேவிங் ஹியர்? ஐ எம் ஹேவிங் த ஃபைல் 31 GB ஃபைல் இருக்கு. இந்த 31 ஜிபி ஃபைலையும் என்னால அக்சஸ் பண்ண முடியுமா? எந்த கண்ட்ரி போனாலும் பண்ண முடியுமா முடியாதா? ஜெரால்ட் ஜி
எஸ் சார் பண்ணலாம்.
சாரி டிஸ்டர்ப். எஸ் பண்ண முடியும். ரைட். அப்ப என்ன அர்த்தம்? இந்த ஸ்டோரேஜ் டிவைஸ் கண்ணுக்கு தெரியல, நம்ம சுமக்கணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது, இந்த பென்ட்ரைவ் மாதிரி சுமக்கணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. பட் வேர் எவர் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் இது நம்மளோட சேர்ந்து வருது. ரைட்டா? இதுக்கு பேர் தான் கிளவுட் ஸ்டோரேஜ். ஸோ இந்த கிளவுட் ஸ்டோரேஜ் வழியா நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? ஐ கேன் கோ டு தி நியூ பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ கனெக்டட் வித் த டூல்ஸ். கூகுள் டிரைவ்ல தான் ஆல் த டூல்ஸ் ஆர் கனெக்டட், லைக் கூகுள் டாக்ஸ், கூகுள் ஷீட்ஸ், கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ், கூகுள் ஃபார்ம்ஸ். அண்ட் ஒன் மோர் குட் திங்ஸ் என்ன தெரியுமா? நீங்க எந்த ஒரு ஃபைல் ஓபன் பண்ணாலும், எந்த ஒரு ஃபைல் கிரியேட் பண்ணாலும் ஆஃப்லைன்ல நீங்க திரும்ப அப்லோட் பண்றப்ப கூகுள் டிரைவ்ல அப்லோட் பண்றப்ப என்னன்னா அதோட ஸ்பேஸ் எடுத்துக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், நான் ஒரு பிபிடி எடுக்கிறேன், ஜஸ்ட் அண்ட் டைப்பிங் இஸ் பிபிடி பவர் பாயிண்ட், ரைட்? ஒரு பிபிடி அடிச்சா லாட் ஆஃப் பிபிடிஸ் ஐ எம் ஹேவிங். சி கூகுள் கிளாஸ் ரூம் பிபிடி, தென் ஆகுமெண்ட் ரியாலிட்டி பிபிடி, எல்லாத்துக்கும் என்ன வருது உங்களுக்கு பாருங்க. 1.8 MB, 127 MB. எம்பிங்கிறது என்னது? மெகாபைட். ஸோ தெர் இஸ் a ஸ்பேஸ் என்னுடைய ஸ்டோரேஜ்ல வந்து எடுத்துக்குது. என்னுடைய 100 GB ஸ்பேஸ்ல இது வந்து என்ன பண்ணிக்குது? ஸ்பேஸ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்னா நான் ஆஃப்லைன்ல இருந்து ஆன்லைன் கொண்டு வரேன். இதே நான் ஒரு ஃபைல் ஓபன் பண்றேன், அந்த ஃபைல் வந்து பிரசன்டேஷன் ஃபைல், கூகுள் ஸ்லைட் ஃபைல் ஓபன் பண்றேன். இங்க பாருங்க. ஸோ when I open the கூகுள் ஸ்லைட் ஃபைல், இந்த ஃபைல் பாருங்க. இந்த ஃபைல் அப்லோட் பண்ணது அதனால கேபி காட்டுது. இந்த ஃபைல் பாருங்க, கண்டென்ட் ஃபைல் என்னது? வாட் இஸ் ஃபைல் சைஸ்? வாட் இஸ் ஃபைல் சைஸ்? 0 KB. நீங்க எந்ததெல்லாம் ஃபைல் வந்து if you are opening through the if you are creating the file through the Google Slides, அந்த ஃபைலோட KB என்னது? All the files KBs are 0. Therefore it won't occupy the space also. அதனால நீங்க வந்து 15 GB உங்களுக்கு ஸ்பேஸ் இருந்தாலும் உங்களுடைய டிரைவோட ஸ்பேஸ் எது என்ன பண்ண டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாது. பிகாஸ் if you are creating n number of even 100 PowerPoint presentations, if you are creating 100 slides, 100 PowerPoint presentation with this Google Slides, it won't occupy the spaces. எந்த ஸ்பேஸ் அக்செப்ட் பண்ண டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாது, உங்களுடைய ஸ்டோரேஜ் ஸ்பேஸை டிஸ்டர்பே பண்ணாது. பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் லைக் 0 bytes. It saves in cloud. It's saved in the cloud. Therefore, it won't having any kind of byte issues or the space issue in your case of the Google Drive. This is a great advantage when you're creating the Google Slides. Now, in case of Google Slides, you are finding the option new. New option therida? Are you able to see the option new? The new click panana, I can find the options like file upload, folder upload, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. I hope all are seeing the Google Slides. The Google Slides I click பண்றேன். Google Slides click பண்ணோம்னா எங்க போகுது? ஒரு Google Slides வருது. இது வந்து look like a PowerPoint. This look like a PowerPoint. உங்களுக்கு அதே PowerPoint மாதிரி தெரியுதா? The same like a PowerPoint presentation? Right. This is a way we have to reach the slides, Google Slides. Please kindly ask your doubts up to now. So நான் இது வரைக்கும் நடத்திருக்க ஒரே சின்ன கான்செப்ட் தான். How to open a Google Slides. How to reach the Google Slides. யாரோ ஒருத்தர் சொல்லுங்க பார்ப்போம். நான் 2 விஷயம் சொன்னேன். 2 way you have to reach the Google Slides. Kindly brief the way. The first way என்ன பண்ணணும்? The first option. எங்க போகணும்? Anyone having the confidence?
Sir, go
Please,
to
I just
Gmail.
want to open the Sorry. Yes. Who is going to give you the answer? Narmata? What is the name? Please.
Sir, go to
Yeah.
Gmail, sir.
Yeah. One minute. Kindly give your name first. Kindly tell your name.
Click 9 dots in the Google app.
Madam, what is your name? What is your name? Hello, what is your name? Give your name because I don't know who you are. No, please kindly give your name first and then give the answer. Narmata, I think. What is the name? Narmata, I think so. Narmata, kindly give the answer. I could not able to see the full names of you, please.
Sir?
Yes. Your name is Narmata, is it correct?
Yes, sir. I am Narmada, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Give the answer, ma'am. Please, can you give the answer? Narmada, answer சொல்லுங்க. How can I reach the Google slide? So any other, Gerald?
Sir,
Gerald?
sir,
Yes. சொல்லுங்க
sir,
சொல்லுங்க.
நீங்க 2 வே சொன்னீங்க சார். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வே வந்து
ஆ,
லேப்டாப்னா ஜிமெயில் லாகின் பண்ணிட்டு கூகுள் ஆப்ஸ் ஓபன் பண்ணி ஸ்லைட்ஸ் ஓபன் பண்ணலாம். இல்ல மொபைல்னா
very good.
கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ் ஆப் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு அதை ஓபன் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
ஓகேப்பா, நைஸ் நைஸ். ஓகே, நீங்க இப்ப நான் கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ் இங்க இருந்து ஓபன் பண்றேன். இல்லைன்னா நீங்க டைரக்டா சப்போஸ் இந்த வழி தெரியல, யூ ஆர் நாட் ஃபெமிலியர் வித் திஸ், இன்னொரு ஐடியான்னு சொல்றேன். நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா டைரக்டா இங்க பேருங்க, சர்ச் பார் பேருங்க. சர்ச் பார்ல போயிட்டு நீங்க நார்மலா கூகுள்னு அடிப்பீங்கன்னா இங்க கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ்னு அடிங்க, ரைட்? இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் URL you can type directly, otherwise கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ்னு அடிச்சீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்னு வரும். என்ன வருது? கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ். உங்களுக்கு இந்த பாத்து தெரியலனால இந்த பாத்துக்கு போயிருங்க. டைரக்டா நார்மலா சர்ச் போவீங்களா, அதுல போயிட்டு கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ் போயிட்டு இந்த ஆப்ஷன் போயிருங்க. இந்த கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ் போயிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுடைய யூசர் நேம் பாஸ்வேர்ட் கேட்கும். அதை கிரெடென்ஷியல் நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அது உள்ள கனெக்ட் ஆயிரும். ஸோ இங்க என்ன பண்ணி கோ டு கூகுள் ஸ்லைட் கொடுத்து டேரக்டா ஓப்பன் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஸோ திஸ் அன் அனதர் மோட். அப்ப நான் 3 வழியில சொல்லியிருக்கேன். 2 வழி வந்து த்ரூ தி ஜிமெயில். தேர்ட் வே ஜஸ்ட் யூ கேன் கோ டு தி நார்மல் சர்ச். நார்மல் கூகுள் சர்ச்ல போயிட்டு கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ் ரீச் ஆயிடலாம், ரைட்? ஸோ 3 வே யூ ஹேவ் டு ரீச் தி கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ். நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன், ஒரு கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸை ஓப்பன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஸோ இந்த ஸ்லைட் இங்க போயிட்டு ஒரு புது ஸ்லைடுக்கு இந்த பிளாங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் இது என்னன்னா சில ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பாருங்க, யுவர் பிக் ஐடியா, போட்டோ ஆல்பம், வெட்டிங், போர்ட்ஃபோலியோ, இங்க நிறைய டெம்ப்ளேட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, லைக் கேலரி. இது வந்து பவர் பாயிண்ட்லயும் இந்த கேலரி ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. பர்டிகுலர் பெய்ட் வெர்ஷன் உள்ளவங்களுக்கு நிறைய கேலரி இருக்கு. ஃப்ரீ வெர்ஷன்ல கம்மியா தான் இருக்கும். இது வந்து டெம்ப்ளேட் கேலரி போயிட்டீங்கன்னா நீங்க நிறைய டெம்ப்ளேட்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஈவன் உங்களுக்கு டெம்ப்ளேட் கிரியேட் பண்ற கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, இந்த டெம்ப்ளேட் நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். You don't worry about that. You have to prepare a new template. Even they given the student certificate purpose. Suppose you want to create a flashcard, particularly the BA teaching, the flashcard important. இந்த ஃபிளாஷ் கார்டு என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், நீங்க டிஜிட்டலைஸ் ஃபிளாஷ் கார்டை ரெடி பண்ணிக்கலாம். அவங்க ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு டெம்ப்ளேட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, இந்த ஃபிளாஷ் கார்டை நீங்க மாடிஃபை பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ திஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு யூஸ் திஸ் டெம்ப்ளேட் அண்ட் மாடிஃபை தி கண்டென்ட் as you like. Then similarly, suppose நீங்க ஒரு லெசன் பிளான் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இல்ல லைக் யூ வாண்ட் டு கோ டு இன்ஃபோகிராஃபிக், ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் இந்த இயர் இது வந்தது, இந்த இயர் இது வந்தது, லைக் யூ வாண்ட் டு கிவ் சம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் இன்ஃபோகிராஃபிக், ஒரு டைம் பேஸ்ட் இன்ஃபோகிராஃபிக் கொடுக்கணும்னா இந்த ஆப்ஷன் கேளுங்க, லெசன் பிளான் ஆப்ஷன். அது மாதிரி நிறைய டெம்ப்ளேட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, நீங்க எந்த டெம்ப்ளேட் வேணா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். இந்த டெம்ப்ளேட்டை நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல நான் ஹைலைட் பண்றேன். பிகாஸ் நவ் வி கேன் ஸ்டார்ட் வித் தி நார்மல் டெம்ப்ளேட் வித்தவுட் எனி எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் டெம்ப்ளேட். ஜஸ்ட் ஐம் கோயிங் டு தி blank டெம்ப்ளேட். ஸோ இப்போ blank போறப்ப என்ன ஆகும்னா, இது மாதிரி ஒரு blank presentations interface வரும், ரைட்? திஸ் இஸ் அவர் கூகுள் ஸ்லைட்ஸ் இன்டர்ஃபேஸ், கூகுள் ஸ்லைட் இன்டர்ஃபேஸ். எல்லாத்துக்கும் விசிபிளா இருக்கா கூகுள் ஸ்லைட் இன்டர்ஃபேஸ்? நான் இதை தான் இப்ப பேச போறேன். இதுல என்னென்ன இருக்குங்கிறத நான் ஜஸ்ட் சொல்லிடுறேன். இங்க இருக்கிற அன்டைட்டில் பிரசன்டேஷன் இருக்குல்ல, அன்டைட்டில் பிரசன்டேஷன், அது என்ன பர்பஸ்க்காக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? யாராவது anyone can predict? அங்க என்ன பண்ணணும் நம்ம அன்டைட்டில் பிரசன்டேஷன்ல?
ரீநேம் பண்ணிக்கலாம் சார்.
எக்ஸாக்ட்லி, ரீநேம் பண்றோம். ரீநேம் அப்பனா இந்த ஃபைல் நேம், இந்த ரீநேம்ங்கிறது இங்க ஆல்ரெடி வந்து ஒரு டிஃபால்ட் நேம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நான் வந்து XXC ஓகே lecture 1 அப்படிங்கிற டைட்டில் கொடுக்குறேன். Can you give like this? So இது எந்த பர்பஸ்க்காக நான் ஃபைல் நேம் கொடுக்கணும்? What is the purpose I can give the file name? என்ன பர்பஸ்க்காக நான் கொடுக்கணும்? What is the purpose I can use the file name? I can create a file name, please.
So ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்றதுக்காக.
Exactly. So இன்னைக்கு நான் முடிச்சிட்டேன். நாளைக்கு இதே ஃபைலை நான் எப்படி எடுக்கணும்? கூகுள் டிரைவ்ல போயிட்டு இந்த ஃபைல் நேம் கொடுத்தாதான் நான் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். Thank you, Albert. What is the full name, Albert? What is the full name?
Albert Jerry.
Albert Jerry. Thank you. So see, இந்த ஃபைல் நேம்ங்கிற கான்செப்ட் எதுக்குன்னா, இன்னைக்கு முடிச்சிருங்க, டே ஆஃப்டர் டுமாரோ இல்ல 1 வீக் கழிச்சு if you want to open the same file, what you have to do, you can go to the Google Drive and search the file. So generally நம்ம ஃபைல் இந்த லேப்டாப்ல எது வரனாலும் ஃபைல் நேம் வைக்கிறோம்னா the similar manner you have to type the file name. And இந்த ஃபைல் எடிட், வியூ, இன்சர்ட், ஃபார்மேட், ஸ்லைட், அரேஞ்ச் டூல்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குல்ல, இதுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன பேரு? What it mean? Is it a menu bar or toolbar? I'm giving the answer. Okay, so I'm giving the two options. Is it a menu bar? Those who know that it's a menu bar, if you know that it's, if you think that it's a menu bar, you can type M in the chat box. If you feel that it is a what is the toolbar, you can type T in the chat box. Please kindly give the answer. What is this one? File, edit, view, insert. What it called? Generally, what it called? Hello, answer it. Type chahiyo. Kindly type the answer in the chat box. Yes, thank you, Narmata. The first answer from you then. It's a toolbar. It's a toolbar. Yes. Is is it a toolbar? Is it a toolbar? I'm talking about this one. File, edit, view, insert. That is the option I'm talking here. Is it toolbar or menu bar? Oh, lot of people's given the menu toolbar. It seems it's a toolbar then, because all the people are giving the word as a toolbar, no? Please, just I'm coming back to the Google slide. Okay, so Google image, just for the understanding purpose, I'm coming here as a Google image. So just I'm going to the Google image. I'm typing here as a toolbar and menu bar. Okay. Please kindly, this is a very basic question. Still the people's having the confusion. Please, this is an image I'm showing here. I hope that image is visible to all of you. The full screen I'm opening. So gently, yeah, please kindly see. This is menu bar. Which is menu bar? The term file, edit, search, view. This is called menu bar because we are able to read the menu bar. Toolbar, only tools only available. You cannot know what is file. That description won't be there. In down, you are seeing the toolbar. For example, see, this is called toolbar. This is a save button. This was the printer button. This was zoom button. This is called toolbar. You got clear? So which is it? Now you can tell the answer. What is this one? Now you have to change the answer. That's not an issue. This is file, edit, view, insert. This is option. It's called what? It is menu. Menu bar, right? The menu bar, if you press here, you can find the lot of menus. Please kindly see. Like when you go to the hotel, no? When you go to the hotel, why it's called menu bar? For example, if you go to the 3-star hotel or 4-star hotel, they're given the menu card. How many of people are seeing the menu card? I hope all are seeing the menu card. In the menu card, what they're given, they're given the soup item, right? In the soup item, they list out all. Then in the case of the lunch, they're given the order. In the case of dinner, they're given a lot of menu. I hope you understood, no? In the hotel, you are seeing getting the menu card. Why it's called menu card? It's not a tool card. It's a menu. Because once you press here, you can see all the menus which is available here. You are able to see this, all the options which is commanded this, right? Then this is called toolbar, which is, there is a symbol, there is the icons. Some kind of small options are there, no? Represent is like some kind of icon. This is called undo, this is called redo, this is called the printer. This is called toolbar. This is called toolbar, right? Do you have any doubt in this now? This is very simple task, all right? Now just I'm going to tell how to prepare your first slide. For example, just I'm going to prepare your first slide. Basics of Google Slides, all right? Basics of Google Slides. So now just I'm telling that how to create a Google Slides. So the first slide, I like to go to the second slide. So you can use the shortcut Control-M. Otherwise, you can go to the plus symbol. Please kindly see, there is a plus symbol. If you press it, I am using this toolbar base. There's a toolbar consists of plus. Once you press here, you can get the second one. Otherwise, there's a shortcut Control-M. Control-M. Once you press Control-M, you can find out the one more new slides. Otherwise, go to the insert. In the insert also, you can find out the new slides. Please kindly kindly see my screen. I'm using the three modality. The first modality, I'm going with the plus symbol, right? If I'm going with the plus symbol base, what kind of I approach? Whether I'm approaching through the menu bar or a toolbar. I'm using the toolbar or menu bar now. Please kindly type in the chat box. So section B, Maria Ali. Okay. So in between you're giving the attendance. Very good. So thank you. It's a toolbar. Exactly, it's a toolbar. Suppose I'm accessing the same option through the insert option. I'm getting the insert, and from this I'm accessing new slide. What is it mode? In what way I'm approaching? In what way I'm opening the new slide? Yes, menu bar. Thank you, Basha. Babita, Jeshi, Sena, Tina, Aguila, and all. Yes. So for this first option, I'm just explaining how to create these slides, right? Just I'm opening using the control M. I'm using the control M. What is the modality I'm using here? If I use the control M, it is called
Creating new
new
slide.
slide. It's a new slide. What is that mechanism? This is called shortcut key. So here I'm using this shortcut key. You got clear? Shortcut key. So therefore, three mode we can create a new slides. One is through the toolbar, other one is through the menu bar, then third one shortcut key. Do you have any other doubts in this? So the three way we can create a new slides. Similarly, for all the options, they're given some of the tool tool or menu based shortcut key, right? Now just I'm going to explain the options which is available here. The file is an option. Please kindly see the file. Only I'm going to explain today only the options which is available in the menu bar. Please kindly note. In the file, you are finding the option called share. What is the purpose we can use this share? What is the purpose we can use the share? Share means you are using regularly for the WhatsApp now to share, to forward, right? What is the purpose we are using share? Aruna Devi, are you here? Kindly unmute and talk to me, Aruna Devi. Please, my 7 days class is look like this only. If you're not giving the answer, I may extending up to 5 o'clock. Be ready. Kindly join with me for the discussions. So kindly treat me as your brother, okay? Please. Then only you may get just like mutual, and even you can know better than me. You can teach me some aspects. Sir, this is a shortcut. I'm really like to learn from your end also, because in the technology aspects, no one 100% literature. Because I'm the learner. I'm not the designer of this particular Google apps. No, I'm only the users. So you can aware of it much compared to me. You can give some of the input from my end also. I can learn it. Please, we can learn mutually. So the share is an option for sharing. This like a collaborate. So normally there is a life cycle in the case of the PowerPoint. So this kind of Google Slides. I am typing the answer in the chat box. Are you able to understand this one? Anyone can brief it the life cycle which I'm typing in the chat box. So there is a three life cycle, three phases in the Google Slides. There's a three life cycle. The first one create, the second one collaborate, the third one is present. Are you able to give the different give the meaning for this? What is the create? What is the collaborate? What is the present? So for preparing any kind of presentation through the Google Slides, you have to go with the three mechanism, three life cycle. Anyone? What is the create? தெய்வங்களா உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது சொல்லுங்கப்பா, முடியல, நான் எழுதுருவேன் அப்புறம்.
Prepare the content.
Yeah, exactly, ma. Thank you, Jaya. What is it, Jaya? What is the full name?
JS Tinila.
JS Tinila. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Okay. First, நம்ம வந்து create பண்ணணும். First, we have to prepare a slides. Very good. What about the second one? What is the second step? After creating, what we have to do?
Work together.
Exactly. Who is that? Syed. Full name Syed? Syed?
Yes, sir. Syed Ali.
Syed Ali. Thank you, Syed Ali. Because I'm able to see only the partial name only. Because you in the display, no? I cannot see the entire name. That's why I'm asking. Okay. So the exactly the Syed Ali said is correct. So first you can create the slides. After that you can share to your teachers or your friends to give the to get the feedback about the slides which you prepare from your end. The last one. What is the last one? After modifying, after reworking with a group of people, then you can go for the presentation, right? This is the three phases of the PowerPoint. Even any PowerPoint presentation which you prepare, you can go with the three mechanisms. Because the problem with us, we are preparing the PPT, we are just presenting. There is a center role, no one can use it. That's called collaborate. Always you can collaborate with the any other people, particularly with your teachers, you can collaborate. For example, if you are preparing any PPT, you want to get some kind of opinion about the content, just you can share the material, share the content to the teachers. So that is a share option for sharing, collaborate. I hope you understood, no? For sharing the options to collaborate with the other people, even you can share to the your teachers or your friends. Then other options like new, for creating new PPT, new presentations. If you want to open the existing file from the drive, if you want to import slides, if you want to import here, already we have the different slides, that slides you want to incorporate here, you can go to import. If you want to copy the same copy of the same slides, you can go with the make a copy. Email, if you want to email this file to someone, you can go with see. There's a download, this much options they provide. Even the MS Office, if you're using the Microsoft Office, these options are there, but people are not aware of it much. But here we can convert this PowerPoint and this presentation to PowerPoint, ODP, open tool based, then open document, that's called PDF format, plain text, even the image, the JPEG and PNG is the image file. The last one also, SVG also image file. Therefore, we can convert your PPT slides into different file format. That's also possible. And if it comes to the make available offline, anyone tell what is the meaning of make available offline? Why they given this option? Even this tool we can use it for the offline also, right? Now I'm using the online. The same tool we can use it offline. Only the things we can connect with this, we can add some kind of extension. Then version history, then rename. If you like to give them rename, if you like to move from one folder to other folder, if you want to create a shortcut to the drive, move trash. Please, I request all to explore today. The next class I can explain all the things. Please, this is a task for all of you. The next class for us is 6th afternoon, 3 o'clock. Before that, I request all to explore all the menu bar. All the menu bar, you have to explore it. And I may ask some of the questions, what it means, what is the purpose we are using. You have to give the answer in it. And the second one, edit. So the edit button, you can go with undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. These are things you are already familiar. And there is a view button. View means the outlook. How the Outlook interface should be. There is an option for presentation purpose, motion, theme builder, grid view, zoom for zooming, then show ruler and guide, snaps, tools, lot of options they provide, kindly look on it. And there is an insert, this is main important. Suppose you would like to create a multimedia content for adding the video, adding the audio, adding the diagram, infographic and all, you can go with the insert option. So insert option consists of a lot of features. Please, one of the options called image. If you like to add any images, it's possible. Add text boxes, even you can add any audio content. You can add the video content, you can add the shapes, you can add the tables, chart, diagrams, word, art, line. This everything's possible here. And the format. Next one is the format. In the format, like we want to type something, we can do this some kind of editing text. Normally we are using some kind of formation, no? Like left alignment, right alignment, paragraph animation, paragraph. These are things you can go with the format options. But why it's not enabling? Because I didn't type anything. Suppose I'm selecting here. So once you type the text content only, the format it may available. Otherwise, you cannot find the enable option there. Text alignment, the text bold, italic, all the options are available. Kindly read. And slide, the slide is the applications. This menu bar, it may help you to create new slides, duplicate slide. If you want to delete any slide, if you want to skip slide, if you want to change the background of the slide, if you want to apply any layout of the slides, if you want to do any transitions, like the transition means each slides we can add some kind of transition. This is for slide. The arrange is the thing for this. Suppose you have some kind of chart. There is an order you are keeping. If you want to add, keep some kind of sequence or order base, you can go with the order. So if you keep here, this also it may working once you selected only. Like if you like to keep the center page, if you want to rotate, for example, I like to rotate into vertically. We can able to rotate into vertically. So I hope you are seeing the 360-degree rotations vertically. So this kind of thing is possible. So if you go to the slides, so format, Only things you can select it and then go to the arrange and you can rotate as you like. There's an option system and good tool. That's a tool. And how many other language? Is there any students are Tamil subject? Tamil subject, Hindi. So here in the college we have the Tamil electives. This option is the Tamil optional. Tamil optional? No. The question is that
Tamil department.
whether you are good. Tamil department இருக்கா? Very good, nice. அப்ப நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், தமிழ் டைப் பண்ணுவீங்கல்ல, தமிழ்ல டைப் பண்றது வந்து பவர் பாயிண்ட்ல ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா நம்ம நிறைய பேர் ஃபீல் பண்றோம். ஆனா இங்க ஒரு நல்ல அட்வான்டேஜ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதை நான் இன்னைக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். நீங்க உங்க சைட் நீங்க வந்து எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் பண்ணுங்க. எந்த லாங்குவேஜா இருந்தாலும் இட்ஸ் ஈஸி டு டைப் ஹியர். ஈவன் உங்களுக்கு டைப் ரைட்டிங்கே தெரியலாம்னு ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. உங்களுக்கு டைப் ரைட்டிங்கே தெரியாது, சுத்தமா உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது, நோ ப்ராப்ளம், ஒன்னும் கவலையே விடுங்க. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், நீங்க என்ன ஸ்பேஸ்னாலும் அப்படியே டைப் பண்ணணும். நான் ஒரு டெமோ பண்றேன். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் இங்கே செகண்ட் ஸ்லைட்ல வந்திருக்கேன். செகண்ட் ஸ்லைட்ல ஒரு பாக்ஸை கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டேன். நீங்க வந்து நான் தமிழ்ல கண்டென்ட் டைப் பண்ண போறேன். எப்படி டைப் பண்ண போறேன்னா பாருங்க. there is an option called tools. Are you able to see the tools option? The toolsல ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா வாய்ஸ் டைப் ஸ்பீக்கர் நோட்ஸ் இருக்கா? வாய்ஸ் டைப் ஸ்பீக்கர் நோட்ஸ் இந்த ஆப்ஷன் எதுல கிடையாது, எம்எஸ் ஆஃபீஸ்ல கிடையாது. ஸோ ஈவன் யூ குட் நாட் நோ ஹவு டு டைப் ஆல்சோ நோ ப்ராப்ளம். நீங்க ஒரு நல்ல பவர் பாயிண்ட் நீங்க உண்டாக்க முடியுங்க. நான் ஜஸ்ட் கிளிக் பண்றேன் வாய்ஸ் டைப் ஸ்பீக்கர் நோட்ஸ். அது கிளிக் பண்ணா நீங்க ஒரு ஸ்பீக்கர் தெரியுது எல்லாத்துக்கும். The left side, are you able to see the speaker? Can you type the chat box? Are you able to see the speaker? Small speaker symbol, right? இங்க மேல என்ன தெரியுது, என்ன லாங்குவேஜ் தெரியுது? அதுக்கு மேல அந்த ஸ்பீக்கருக்கு மேல you are finding the
English.
English. Suppose now நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன், இங்கிலீஷ் ஸ்பீக் பண்ண போறேன். see, நீங்க என்ன ஸ்பீக் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த பட்டன் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த சென்ட்ரல் ஆடியோ பட்டன், அதை பிரஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ரெட் கலரா மாறும். அந்த ரெட் கலர் பட்டன் மாறினதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீங்க பேச வேண்டியது, ரைட்? Hi friends, I hope you all are safe at your place. One minute. So once you keep it here, one time deleting here. So even it may type in the speaker notes also. Just I'm keeping here and keeping the tools. Once I do the same process, voice typing. Then after that, you can click here. Hi friends, hopefully all are safe at your place. Be safe and wear mask. And see, the content is typing down. Are you able to see the content? Suppose just I'm copying this Control C, you can do the normal Control C and paste it here. Now you can see that the entire content is coming here. You can zoom it. Are you able to see here? The content which I speak, no, automatically comes here, then just I'm zooming it here. Now I like to speak in Tamil. இதே விஷயத்த நான் தமிழ்ல பேசினா எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், நான் ப்ளீஸ் கைண்ட்லி see my screen. இதுதான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பிகாஸ் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் நாட் அவேர் ஆஃப் ஹவ் டு டைப் இன் தமிழ். இங்க இங்கிலீஷ் இருக்கிற லாங்குவேஜ். ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் யூ கிளிக் ஹியர், யூ கேன் கோ ஹியர். எல்லா லாங்குவேஜஸ் லிஸ்ட் அவுட் ஹியர். ஸோ ஆல் த லாங்குவேஜஸ் ஆர் அவைலபிள். ஹியர் வாட் யூ ஹேவ் டு டு, யூ கேன் செலக்ட் தி தமிழ். செலக்ட் தி தமிழ். தமிழ்ல இந்தியா இருக்கு, தமிழ் இலங்கை இருக்கு, தமிழ் சிங்கப்பூர் இருக்கு, தமிழ் மலேசியா இருக்கு. யூ கேன் செலக்ட் தமிழ் இந்தியா பிகாஸ் த ப்ரொனன்சியேஷன் வைஸ் வேறுபடும். இதை கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டேன். கிளிக் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீங்க பேச ஆரம்பிக்க வேண்டியதான். சரியா? நான் இதை டெலிட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். தென் நீங்க அந்த இது இருக்குல்ல, இங்க ஒரு ஏரஸ் சிம்பிள், சாரி ஒரு ஆடியோ சிம்பிள், அதுக்கு மேலே தமிழ் செலக்ட் ஆகிட்டேன்னு பார்த்துட்டு யூ கேன் ப்ரெஸ் தி ஆடியோ. ஸோ நான் இப்போ தமிழ்ல பேச போறேன். கேன் சி. அனைவருக்கும் எனது இனிய மாலை வணக்கங்கள். முகக்கவசத்தை அணியுங்கள். See, just I'm speaking. அனைவருக்கும் எனது இனிய மாலை வணக்கம். முகக்கவசத்தை அணியுங்கள். Just to copy and paste it there wherever you need. Wherever you need, you can paste it here. And you can zoom it. You can zoom it. Right? So hereafter, don't worry about the Tamil. You don't know how to type the Tamil, not at all issue. Just you can open the Google site and you can speak anything. Even if you like to do editing also, like if you like to delete some mugab, just you can delete it. So we can do editing later. Therefore, not at all issue to type any language. Here it means supporting all the language. Suppose you like to speak in Malayalam, you can go back and click here and select the Malayalam. Even I could not know how to read the Malayalam. The Malayalam girl can tell whether it's the correct Malayalam. Kindly help me for these aspects. Yeah, I think this is Malayalam, no? The Malayalam, who is the Malayali, this class? Is it Malayalam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Namaskaram. Is it correct? Namaskaram?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, you can speak at any language, even Hindi, Urdu, at any language we support it. So, like this, for preparing PowerPoint is very simple hereafter, particularly for your own, your mother tongue or any, what is it, any subject which you type in specific language, it's not at all issue in this case. And இது முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் then I move to the இந்த டூல்ஸ்ல நிறைய ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு, other options like explore dictionary. Suppose நீங்க while typing anything you have some kind of doubts may come, whether நான் டைப் பண்றது கரெக்டா இல்லையா. For example, I'm typing like flipped classroom. Your flipped classroom type பண்றேன், so immediately I have the doubt about the spelling, right? There is a spelling about the flipped classroom, I have the doubt. So உடனே என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், நீங்க இந்த டிக்ஷனரிங்கிற ஆப்ஷன் சொன்னோம்ல, so you can go to the tools, you can click the dictionary, you can check the spelling, okay, and the meaning also. So automatically the flipped classroom and the meaning wonder. So if you like to do the same thing, the PowerPoint is not possible. PowerPoint and you have the dictionary or online dictionary paper. You get the parallel, we have to cross check whether the typed spelling or typed content, the synonyms is to be correct. So whether this particular place we can add this particular vocabulary, we can easy to cross check with the use of the dictionary, and you can close the dictionary. And other options like this is much important. For example, you are regularly using, for example, in the case you want to use the St. Xavier's College regularly for these slides, you can use the there is a footnote under that you can use it, but there is a accessibility they given. So see, just I'm keeping here the tools, there is option of preference. We can create some kind of shortcut also. So there is a substitution. Please kindly see the substitutions. I'm already create some kind of shortcut. For example, if I type XXC, automatically it may counted as a St. Xavier's College. If I type ICT, it take into consideration information technology. These are things I type. For example, if I type FB, FC, so the FC refers flipped classroom, right? So because in the PowerPoint, I like to use the flipped classroom regularly. Instead of typing the flipped classroom, once I type FC and enter it, automatically becomes FC. Sorry, flipped classroom. I click OK. Now you can see just I'm typing FC here. After typing FC, please you can see the screen. I'm typing FC, then click enter. Now what you are finding? You are finding the flipped classroom. I didn't type anything. So this kind of shortcut key we can use it. Suppose I like to go with the St. Xavier's College. I'm typing XXC. I'm typing only XXC. I'm already given I'm added as a reference. I'm enter it. Now you can see the St. Xavier's College. Are you able to see St. Xavier's College? So this kind of good advantage is available in the case of the preference option that is available in the tools. That is for preference. Even the accessibility. Suppose you are going to teach the mental retarder or the braille or brain students, there is an option called accessibility. Like there is a screen reader. We can enable the screen reader. If the people are using some kind of screen reader software, automatically the software may read your PPT slides, the slides. If there are some people, they are having some partial blind. If they like to use the Magnify support software, they can use in the sense that automatically they can view, they can maximize the PowerPoint slides which you prepare from your end. So like this, they're given certain accessibility. This is good in the case of the inclusive education classroom, like making the content to reach all the people without any kind of without any bias the peoples of the inclusive sectors. It may helping them. So you can use this kind of option, screen reader support, screen magnify support, but this may working when the people are using this some kind of third-party tool, like they have some kind of screen reader software, and they need some kind of screen magnify software. Automatically, your slides may helping them to be extend this kind of options. And similarly, there is other options like the tools. The tools, a lot of options are there, kindly explain. And there is one more option, Q&A. You can go with any kind of question and answer sessions through this tool. That I'm going to explain the next week during the session, how we can use the Google Slides for the question and answer session. Particularly when you go for your teaching practice, I request all, when you go for teaching practice, my suggestion better to use the Google Slide instead of a PowerPoint, because what is the advantage in the sense we can add any videos, audio, and we can share this slide without any problem. For example, in the case of the Google Meet, when you're sharing the screen as an entire screen, we could not share the audio. Even sometimes you may cross some kind of issues. While sharing the screen of the entire screen, the Google Meet, if you are sharing some kind of videos, only the video screen may available, that audio won't reach the participants. You have this some kind of experience, but if you are using the Google Slide, that kind of worry is not there, because automatically what are things you are adding, even the audio, video, anything you are adding the PowerPoint, you are able to hear the sounds. So therefore, not at all issue for anyone. If you like, I'm going to add one video. I'm going to do the demonstration, and one more features also is there. That also I may focus in the next week. Just I'm going to add one slide. So the first slide, I like to add some videos here. I like to add some video. Therefore, what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert. I'm going to my video. In the video, I'm going to use my YouTube channel, one of the video. I'm typing here on Surya. I'm using this one video, like, yes. So yeah, I'm using this video. Using a question. Yeah, next. This one I'm using. Just select. So I'm added one video. I'm added one video as a PowerPoint presentation slides, like through the YouTube I'm added. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to share the entire slide. There's 3 slides I made: first slide, second slide, third slide. Right? These are things I will demonstrate next week as how to create the slides and all. I'm just sharing how we can share our audio. Now I'm already shared the screen. No? I'm already shared the screen, but I share the screen through the Google in the normal Google Meet. Through the Google Meet I'm sharing, but I'm going to share my screen through the Google Slide itself. In the Google Slide, are you able to see there is a present option? Near to the present, are you able to see the small option? Present a meeting. Are you able to see the present a meeting? How many are seeing this option? What is the option? If you are connecting with any kind of Google Meet, automatically you can share the screen through this mode. You don't need to go to the Google Meet and share it. For example, now I'm sharing this Google Meet through this. Please kindly see. I did the sharing like this. I did the sharing through this option, right? But now I'm going to share my screen through directly from the slide. This is my presentation meeting. Once I press here, you can see this option. Please kindly see, because automatically detecting that who is attending this. So just I'm going to present it here. Present the meeting. There is no upcoming meeting. I think I'm not connected with. Sorry, the problem. I am using this Google account. No, this is not an account I connected with. That just I'm going to open another account. 1 minute. In your account. So I'm opening the guest lecture because I'm connected with the different account. I can try it here. Request access. 1 minute. Just I'm opening it. It's not sharing. I can open it here. 1 minute. That is the issues because I'm using the other account. No, your other account I'm using. Guest. Okay. What's the mail ID? 1 minute. I just check the mail ID. 2 minutes. Just I want to know the mail ID. Yes. So I'm giving the username and giving the password too. So guest at the xxcd cdnedu, sorry, edu.in. I think I'm using the last password. Yes, just I'm connecting here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just connecting with my Gmail. Now I'm going to connect with this. Please kindly see my screen. Now I'm going to share my screen to the other mode. I'm going to create a slide directly from here. So this is a slide. This is a slide. The same process I'm doing very fastly. Then I'm going to create a new slides. I'm going to create a new slides. Then after this demonstration, I can stop my presentation. So here I'm giving some demo presentation as a title. Only thing, so you have to connect with the Google Meet the same mail ID, demo presentation, right? Demo presentation, and given the first slide like basics, then second slide, third slide, fourth slide, like this. I'm going to add some of the. Then the first slide, I'm going to add some videos now. For this, just I'm going to use the insert options. I'm going to the video. I'm going to add some videos here. Yeah, yes. Otherwise, you can go to the any by viewer because that unique channel is not here now. So better we can add any one minute. Just I'm typing as Thiago. Just by Google Drive. The Google Drive also nothing is there. 1 minute. Just I'm going to open any YouTube videos on mine. So just I'm opening my YouTube. There I'm just selecting one of the videos of mine. So this is a video I like to share to you. So what I'm going to do is just select this video and copy this, right click and copy this video URL. After this, just I'm coming back to the demo presentation. I can paste this video. So the YouTube link, then go with search. I think they blocked in your account, they blocked. Sir, Celine, sir? I checked it. I think, yeah, it's working. It's working. I think the video is not finding. Now I find it. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Not an issue, sir. Just I'm selecting this video and just to select the audio here. The video selected no longer exists. The owner may be removed it. That is a problem because that is why I like to connect with my here. It not go with because I'm using the different account now. I think your video is not recognizing me. Okay, it's not an issue. Your account now that your extension is not supporting for me. For other cases, just you can add this kind of video and you can share directly from here. Once you share here, automatically detecting the meeting which you're connecting here, right? Then you can present the video directly from here. If you like, just I'm going to create a small link. Can you connect with this link? Just to do the demonstration. But the problem you are already using the institution mail ID, no? Whether institution mail ID, are you able to connect with the normal Google Meet link? Suppose if I send the normal Google Meet link, are you able to connect with me? Celine, sir? Whether they are able to connect with me? If I send the Google Meet link of the personal mail ID, whether the students can be able to join with that link?
For your mail ID, sir?
From my mail ID.
But for this Google Classroom, all of the students are using the institutional mail ID only.
Well, I am asking the Google Meet. In the Google Meet, whether they can access, they can join with the normal meeting. Only the institution meeting only they can attend it.
Then we have to change the settings, sir.
Oh, that is sorry. So because now I could not do the demonstration because you have to connect with me the normal Google Meet. The host, no, the admission they have to do some kind of change.
Yeah. Okay, so sir. I will consult with the Nicholas sir and do the necessary.
Please, because no, some of the things, no. Once I connect with my personal mail ID only, I can do the demonstration.
Yeah, I understand, sir.
Yes, because if I go to the present meeting, I should be connected to your Google Meet. Then only this particular, it should be showing that I can present the screen directly from here. What is the advantage? Once you present the screen, automatically the audio also go along with the video.
Okay.
So therefore, for sharing the video is very simple in the case of the Google Slide compared to the normal Google Meet presentations. Then there is another one added. I request to all, if you are using the laptop, if you come to join to the next week, next class laptop for this particular program, I request all install this kind of add-on. That add-on names are listed here. That's called Fixstar. The add-on name I'm typing one by one. The tool name is called Fixstar. Then Unsplash. Kindly note, if possible, you can note it in your pen, and then you can install these tools in your Google Slides. Then next one is called Flaticon, Flaticon. Then one more I'm just giving because I'm having a lot of things, but this much only it might help you to you. Pixtron, Unsplash, Flaticon, Pexels. I request all you have to install this 4 add-in software in your Google Slides. Just I'm going to brief it how to add also. Once you go to the add-ins, you are finding the called Get Add-ins. You are finding Get Add-ins option. Once you press the Get Add-ins, you are finding this small search box. In the search box, you have to type the tool which I'm giving to now. So these are the tools, may helping to enhance your PowerPoint presentation skills. So like we can add some kind of animation, we can add some kind of free images, we can add a lot of icons, all the things we can use it in a free basis. So what you have to do, if you like to download the Pixtron first, you have to type Pixtron, P-I-X-T-Y, sorry, P-I-X-T-Y-N. Then once you enter it here, you are finding, for me it's already installed. For your case, it's asked to be installed. For in your case, it's asking to be installed. You have to press here. Once you press here, once you click this option, automatically it gives some kind of allow permission in your mail ID. You can give the allow permissions through the credential. Automatically, it may install. Once you install, you are finding this kind of installed as an option. So it is represent you installed properly. So in this manner, you have to install this kind of 4 icon. This 4 add-in software. The purpose also I'm going to demonstrate in the next week. What is the purpose we have to use this one? And in what way it may help for the PowerPoint presentations? That I'm going to list out the next week, the coming 6. So in this, we have to stop our presentation. If you have any doubts up to now, you have to ask me. I request all to kindly install the application which I listed here. Pixtron, Unsplash, Flaticon, Pexels. You possibly can go with the Slido too. Slido. Suppose you are a mathematics background, you can go with some of the equation editor. You can go with this one, Lucid chart also. This also fine if you like to go with some chart and all. So better you have to install it. Then only you can understand. You can know how to use it in the next week. And I given some kind of task for you for the coming 6. You have to open Google Slide, and you can explore all the templates, all the menu bar, which are the options are there. Kindly explore from within. All the menu bar as well as the this one toolbar, and you can see all the interface also. What is this interface? What is you can see there is a down also some kind of explore button. What it means, everything you can explore it. You can explore the A to Z of the entire Google Slides. Kindly come with the next week with full of explorations. We can discuss the next thing, how we can create a effective multimedia presentations in the next class, right? Please kindly ask your question if you have the doubt in the sense. If possible, kindly join this meeting the next week by laptop. If it's not possible, you can connect with you can install this application through your mobile phone also. The Google Slide you have to install. Yes. Salim sir?
Sir?
Yeah, so please kindly
Friends,
kindly allow me, personal mail kindly allow me because some of the
Okay, sir. Kindly forward your personal mail ID to my WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah, that's fine, sir.
I will add.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Dear friends, it is a time for discussion. If you have any queries, if you have any doubt, now resource person is ready to clear your doubts. Is there any questions?
I think no doubt. And the program is totally outcome based. Dear, my dear, it's outcome based program. It is not like examination based. It is outcome based. Outcome means the end of all the days over, you have to prepare a good slides like this, and you have to prepare some kind of video. So that is outcome based. So if you have any doubt in between, you can ask me. Then if you're stuck in a single point, you cannot lead it further. Because it's like each one's linked with each other. For example, the second step may link with the 8th step. 8th step may link with the first steps. So that is why you have to observe properly during my presentations. Otherwise, I request the Salim sir, the recorded video you can post it into our Google Classroom, sir. The recorded video.
Yeah, okay, sure, sir, sure.
You can record this video. You can create
the recording is going on.
Yeah, so the end of this you can post in the video also. whenever you need, you can see this video. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
Thank you. Any other questions?
Over to Jerry.
Sir. In this section, I have learned how to use and how to create the PowerPoint presentation through online, especially the Google Slide, and how to use the cloud computer and how to cloud storing. And we learned about the menu bars in Google Slide, and that is very important and very useful for me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Albert. Thank you. Okay. Dear all,
Thank you, Jerry.
dear all, please kindly work from your home or work from your end, because how much you are exploring the tool, that much you may get the competence. The competency of the tools which you are using based on the what is that exploration. Kindly explore it, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the wonderful sharing on nice demonstrations. So, with the spirit, we can meet on Friday, sir.
Okay, sir. Friday.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Now we can leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.